Hi guys, I'm Mark and welcome back to MavTech. Now today we've got something I'm really excited about, something a bit special and something I know you're going to love. If you're an Apple fan or a tech fan, I guarantee you're going to like this. You ready? Let's do this. So I teased the gift idea the other day for any Apple fan out there over on my Instagram page, MavTech, which I hope you're all following. Very quickly, if you're interested in tech, gadgets and accessories, make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel and hit the little bell icon to stay notified when I post any new content. And make sure you hit that like button as it really does help the channel out. Thanks guys. So we all know what an iPhone is, and if you don't, you must have been living under a rock for the past 10 years. And just in case, there's a few there. Well, here's a little hint. Every classic deserves to be framed. So I reached out to a company called Grid over on Instagram as I come across their product and was literally blown away. I was like, I need to have this in my life. Then a few weeks later, this turns up. So this seems like a very simple box. Wait till you get inside. So I'll get the main bit out of the way. We've got some glue or adhesive, some little wall mounts. Am I giving it away yet? Box. See you later. Right. Put this flat down, pull this out. Get rid of the bubble wrap. Hold up. Have a look at this. There's an actual leaf. It's wax sealed. This is how all products should come boxed and wrapped. This is, I don't even want to open it. Look how good this looks. It's epic. It's got the Grid Frame Art Studio print all over it and on the ribbon, and like I said, this little leaf on the front. Well done Grid. Beautifully, beautifully packaged. I'm seriously impressed. I do a lot of unboxings. I'm impressed. Right, so top down view so you can see this from my perspective and how I want you to see this amazing, amazing product. Now I'm going to try not to rip this ribbon. Does this come off nice and smooth? Yes, there we go. Well worth keeping. When there's that much effort gone into something, you need to sort of hang on to that. So I'll put that to one side for a minute. And here you go, you're left with your box. And try not to cast too much of a shadow on it. So there you go. We'll flip this over. Any ideas yet? There we go, we'll move the paper out of the way. It's a frame, and it's what's inside the frame. Right. Wow. Have a look at this. Now I just thought it was all scratched up and everything, but they've protected it with this, so I'll take this off. I'm literally speechless. Can you guys see what I'm seeing? It just, oh, it's beautiful. Tech in all its glory. Now the thing is, we sometimes take for granted what these devices and smartphones are in our pocket. Yes, this is an iPhone 4S and it's actually stripped down by hand and glued to this A4 size piece of paper. It just looks absolutely amazing. So this is a real iPhone. They haven't replicated this. Is an actual old iPhone 4S that they've taken apart and put on this frame for you to hang wherever you want. Now tell me this is just not beautiful. This is, to me, this is art. This is what art. You can see there's the home button down here. You've got the SIM card tray, the battery that goes with it. You've got the A5 chip that the iPhone 4S came with. That's just amazing. Now here, just to show you very quickly, I have a old iPhone 4, not on this is a 4, but they looked pretty much the same. Obviously this is a white one, so this is what they look like. And like I said, you take for granted what's inside these, even the newer models. As much as we use them and we know, we're told what's inside and we don't know, this is what's inside the phones. And what a fantastic concept, what a fantastic idea from this company, Grid, that are doing these. It's just brilliant for any tech fan, for any Apple lover. To have one of these on your wall is just amazing to look and appreciate what's inside. these actual devices. And just what an amazing piece of tech to have, what an amazing piece of artwork to be able to hang around your house, in your office. And like I said, if you're an Apple fan, if you're a tech fan, if you want to just appreciate what's inside these devices, what a way to do it and what a way to display it. Grid, well done. If I was wearing my hat today, I'd take my hat off, but honestly, hats off guys, you smashed it. Now, we'll quickly jump over to their site, because I know they do a few more devices than just the 4S. They've got the iPod Touches, the old generation ones. They've also just released the iPhone 3G. They've got as a breakdown in that, which yes, I want to get my hands on, because that just looks amazing, and hopefully do a collection of them. If they do an original iPhone 2G model, I'm all over that. I love the original iPhones, I collect them, I've got a few of them. Yeah, so if they break one of them down and put this in this kind of frame, you know I'm there, you know I'll be picking it up. So jumping into Grid's Instagram page, you can see here they've got a lot of their own content, very, very well photographed, very well produced, and it shows some more of the other products they've got, the different breakdowns of the different models and phones. But jump in here, the Grid Studio CC, it takes you straight to their page where you can get these, and you can see at the moment it's 30% off all these different phones. So we've got the 4S, we've got a BlackBerry Bold 9000, we've got a iPod Touch, and we've got the 3GS. There's even a Nokia E71. So all these different ones, if you're into a particular brand or a particular model, these are perfect. These are a great gift for someone, especially someone you know that loves tech. Someone like me that's got all the latest and greatest stuff and just wants something to reminisce of the older days, or again, like I said, appreciate what's actually inside these devices, because a lot of us really take that for granted. But I'm going to be picking up some more from them because they're just amazing. I really want the 3GS and have a look at that, because I'm into my phones, as you can tell, and the iPod Touch as well. Why would I want that? Why wouldn't I want it? Just look at these devices, they're amazing. But yeah, stop what you're doing here for a minute, or even after this video, and just head over to the Grid Frame Studio website, have a look and get ordering. Why not? They do limited numbers of these, so you've got to be quick. Once again guys, I'm Mark, you've been watching MavTech. This is a breakdown of the iPhone 4S from Grid Studios. Amazing. Head over there now. Thanks guys. See you next time.